Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanif. Today I would like to present to you world projected production by sectors. So this is your world productions, your world works according to sectors. So here we have 2040 and this 2060. So this is what my company has researched for around 20 years. So in 2040, we can see that the biggest sector that produce stuff is the biggest, which has the biggest production is services, and which comes next is manufacturing, and then there's info or contact, which is technology sector, which produce stuff about technology like cameras, laptops, and all those stuff. And here comes the others. And in 2060, we can see that manufacturing sectors rises with 2%, and so the service sectors rises by 1%, and info contact sector increased by 1%, while the others decreased. Like the one here, we have energy sector, it decreased by 2%, and agricultural sector decreased by 3%, and now it's in the worst position, only with an amount of only 1% of the chart, and materials sector increased by 4%. So here we could see that the service sectors and infocom sectors and also manufacturing sectors increased in a large scale. Does anyone know why? Of course. Let me tell you. Between these years, our technology has increased in a very fast pace. So our technology becomes more futuristic, of course. Info contact sectors needs to produce much. So between these years, until 2060, info contact has increased by 1%, according to the chart. And manufacturing, with the increase in population, of course, we need more goods. So that's why manufacturing sectors increased by 2%. And why service sectors increased by 1%? I will tell you the reason why. Same as manufacturing sectors that increased by 2%, service sectors give service to the world's population. So that's why the service sectors increased by 1%. And for agriculture, it could be, the reason could be because that we have increased nanotechnology, so agricultural sectors doesn't produce much, so instead we use technologies for our foods. And energy could be because we have reversible energy, reversible energy, like using reservable energy like nuclears and all those stuff between these years. So in 2060 we have nuclear powered and hydrogen nuclear fusion powered plants. And the materials increased here also could be because that the world's population increased so much. So like, for example, in between 2020 and 2022, we increased by 1 billion, if I'm not wrong. So of course, between these 2 years, we could be increasing around 5 billion according to data. So that's for me. Does anyone have a question?
Okay, I have the questions. Can you tell me what is the highest project productions? Who has the highest increase between 2040 to 2060?
So what do you mean?
What is the project productions? Who has the highest increase between from 2040 to 2060?
I could say which the highest increase is manufacturing. Because yeah, they produce goods like your computer, although it could go to info, com, tech sectors, technology sectors, but manufacturing also does the stuff like the spare parts of your computer or your laptop, the screwdrivers and all those stuff are made by manufacturing.
Increased by how many percent?
It increased by 2% between
2%.
the 2030 and 2060.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.